everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
And today it is P.LOUISE Day and it is not pink, you guys.
Look at the gorgeous black
and red. Oh my
and
goodness,
red.
it is black and red and fun all over. And it is got, you can see the design in the black, that you know, the raised shiny part. It's got roses. This is the Happily Never After box. This is the September box, but because they ship the month after they build, this comes in October, so they theme it for the month you get it, not for the month they call it. So this is the September box, but you get it in October. This side says Scary Mystery and Scary Tales Await. This other side says where fairy tales turn frightening. And it has beautiful embellishment and roses and P.LOUISE hearts and on the ends, and the back is just plain. But this box, oh my goodness.
Isn't it beautiful?
And this is already sold out. Sometimes you can get the previous month in the shop and still buy it. This one's sold out before the end of September.
It's popular.
Yeah, we told a friend of ours at work about it and she's like, oh, I missed it. But she's gonna sign up to start subscribing for, I think, coming up for the next box. Oh my gosh, you guys, the next box.
Yes.
The one we get in November. It's gonna be so fall-tastic.
Exactly. Looking forward to it.
We cannot wait. So this is the September box. They always come with their little rip tab. And Krista's gonna help me hold it. Whoops, I didn't quite get it. There we go.
It's a lot of effort.
It is. So let's see. It is so fun. There are 3. We already know what's in here because we've been watching the spoilers and you guys. Okay, so truth be told, we're not sure we're going to use these products ourselves. So we are not going to open these. We're going to show you in probably over Krista's face here or over mine, depending on who's showing the product. The P.LOUISE video from the P.LOUISE Instagram site. So I'll put even on the bottom full credit to P.LOUISE for the video of what the products look like. Some of them will show you, but we're not going to swatch anything. But these we're not going to open. So I will show you the video. Since I'm showing you this one, Krista's face will be plastered over. But this is their Lip Duo set, and this is in licorice. The smell, it's not flavored, but the scent is licorice. So in this set, you're going to get a lip oil
and a lip cream.
A lip oil and a lip cream. The lip oil
moisturizer or something.
Is in a, you can see the black tube.
Yeah,
the gloss is black. It actually does leave a black tint. You can see.
Well, purple.
No, the other one turns.
Oh yeah,
this one stays kind of black.
Yeah, from what we saw a swatch of somebody doing.
And maybe I can put the picture in between us so you can see both of us talking. We'll find out. You'll see when we figure this out when I edit. But the balm is in the regular kind of tube and the regular just creamy colored balm, but they're licorice scented. Which
I don't like licorice.
Krista doesn't like licorice, which is one of the reasons that I love licorice, but I don't really want to smell licorice on my mouth when I'm just during my day. So one of the reasons we're not going to keep this.
And this beautiful
oh my gosh, yes.
packaging.
The box is amazing.
If it wasn't just for the licorice, I would keep it just for the packaging.
Yeah, you guys.
But I wouldn't use it.
We still may honestly, after we get through this video, say, yeah, we're going to keep all that.
Yeah, we've done that before.
We do that a lot. So, but until we decide. But this comes in their juice box. The straw comes out. It's a legit straw. Do not use it, but it is a legit straw. And it comes in, it's like the little juice box packaging. So these are so much fun. Another reason we may not use this one is we probably have at least 7 not started lip oils and lip balms in these sets that we have not even started, and several that we're using currently. So we just do not need another one of these.
But I would keep it even if we didn't need it, because I love that it's a black tube and the crown is black when you see the picture.
Okay.
And so this one is a color changing lip gloss. So we watched a swatch. So the product inside,
and I'm going to show the swatch. I'll show the swatch over my face.
Black. So it's what it looks like. Black with a red lid. Do you see that red lid?
And I think it's glittery based on that video.
But when you swatch it, the pH balance changes. And on the one or two videos we watched, it turns into like a pale purple.
And it may vary depending on who's wearing it.
Yeah, it may vary on it, but I love it. I wanted the box mostly for this product, but I don't mind wearing purple, but I don't use a lot of purple gloss.
So this one is still under consideration.
So this one's still under consideration.
So because we're not sure, we just didn't want to spoil it and open it and then decide,
and
I really don't like that.
But the packaging is stunning. Look at that. The lid's red, the color's black.
Yeah. We both reserve the right to claim any of these and change our mind at any time.
Exactly.
So the next one we're going to show you together, you guys. Holy cannolis. They went all out.
P.LOUISE's team went all out with this packaging.
This is stunning. It just says, is it upside down? It says Mystic Moonlight. Mystic Moonlight.
We're going to take it out of the box.
Oh, we're going to show you this one, but we're not going to swatch it. Look at the box of it is so pretty. And just the black and red.
I love the black and red. I mean, that's why we had to have this month's box.
We almost spent it. You'll notice that there's some months we don't do a video for P.LOUISE. We just have so much, we have to be kind of selective. So they now give you a preview of what you're going to get. So some months we decide we're just going to suspend that month and skip it. This month we almost did. I was like, no, this is so unique. We just have to get it.
Okay, so this is the front. And
sorry about the glare.
It looks like rose petals almost.
Do they not move?
Yeah, it looks like they move, but I don't want to.
Oh, it has like fake flower rose petals in there, and there should move around.
I saw some people that look like it moved.
These are not moving.
I don't want to break the
but there's
palette, but it looks like rose petals with a moon behind it, and just beautiful.
So
and look at the black heart with the red P.LOUISE and the drawer. I mean,
this is a two drawer palette. Well, 2 tray palette.
And we're going to open just the top so we don't mess it up in case we don't keep it. But you'll see the top palette is grays and
it's got
some neutrals and the blues up. And then the bottom tray is going to be neutrals. I'm
going to let Krista hold this one and I'll pull out this one.
Just careful.
We'll show you together. And the plastic overlay has the same name as the palette.
Yeah.
And this is the second one. And you can see it's got some really pretty shimmers, some pretty neutrals. The colors, I can lift this one. Oh, no, I can't.
Yeah, if you pull it this way.
I can pull it up from here.
And look, it looks like a little bit of a rosy, this one doesn't show up on the camera, but it's dusty rose-like almost color. So the colors and glitters are
beautiful. And this one maybe does this. Oh, this one does the same thing. Okay.
Careful.
We can oh, it comes this way.
So you can kind of get a better look at the shades. Look at those beautiful. I mean, I love her eyeshadows. I can't tell you how many palettes we have.
Which is another reason we're not necessarily keeping this one. We don't wear a lot of smoky eyes and we have tons of neutral palettes.
But I still keep a lot of the neutral palettes because I like the different shadings of them because they're not the same. So they may be in the same color families, but
I'll put this back in a minute.
And then of course the top, when you open it, it has the black foam on it, but there's a mirror behind there. Oh, this is beautiful. I really want to see if I really thought the rose petals moved, but I can't make them move and I don't want to mess up anything. But I loved the black and red theme, people. When I saw black and red, it was like,
I'm going to go back in.
We had to get it.
It is so pretty, but this box, you guys, spectacular.
P.LOUISE outdid herself.
These products were created for this box.
Yeah.
It's sold out. Limited edition for the Budget Box subscribers, which is an extra bonus for being a Budget Box subscriber. Speaking of which, I have some more news and updates from the P.LOUISE UK website. Somebody asked on the last video what the duties were or the tariffs were for getting this box. I had not seen, we've only ever paid just the shipping.
Yeah.
But we had, and I was like, there's not any. And I was about to.
And in August we placed an order and there wasn't any.
There wasn't any. And I was about to answer the post and say, there's never any. But Krista said, oh, Celeste, who actually I did a collab with, you'll see soon, just ordered one of the record palette eyeliner sets. And she paid so much. She paid like $25 extra in duties. And I'm like, oh. So I went to the website and started playing with orders. If you order directly from the website, the duties are astronomical. From the UK. There is a US website, but they don't have as many products.
Right. So they're working on it, but they don't have it as yet.
And I've communicated with P.LOUISE because I did a test. I didn't actually order it, but one of the body scrubs, which is like $24 or $27, once you add duties and shipping and taxes, it was like $74. It was... The duties alone were more than the actual product. They're charging over 100% duties on some of these products, most of the products. So I emailed P.LOUISE and I said, I'm pretty sure the duties are not more than 100% of the product. And I did get a response back, and they said that they're being charged over 50% duties. I didn't want to push the point and say, well, you're actually billing way more than 100% of the product for duties, because what she did also say is they're really working hard on filling the U.S. warehouse to match the U.K. warehouse.
So that's a good thing.
Yes. The products are, I think, a little bit more on the U.S. side. I can't remember.
Yeah, because
just a little bit
because
more.
of the transition from pounds to
Yeah.
dollars is we're gonna pay more in
Yeah,
US dollars.
plus they're paying the duties and stuff to ship it
Right.
here. So fingers crossed we get more products in the U.S. store. But the good news is the budget box seems to be excluded. I did call actually the morning
Yes,
I got the
we
post
didn't want to pay double.
because we were about to be billed for this box, and I'm like, I cannot get billed an extra $60 for this box. I was going to call, like, forget it, I can't. And so I talked to the UK customer service for several minutes actually, and they were checking and checking and checking. Super helpful, yes. Their customer service is excellent. And so she checked and checked and checked and came back and said, if we were charged extra duties or tariffs for this coming to us from the US, or once it got here, they would reimburse me. That is exclusive, as far as I know, to the budget box, because they're specifically charging the duties on their end for the other products. So if you subscribe to the budget box, you will get these products with just shipping and just the box. We paid
as of right now
$58, all said and done, $53. Once we got it, the box is $39 plus the shipping went up again, but it's what it used to be, like $12 or $13.
Yeah, still about,
So great opportunity to get exclusive product from P.LOUISE without paying the duties to come from the UK.
And trust me, they're worth every penny.
So good. So cannot wait to get the November box.
I know. I'm so excited.
If anything changes on the duties or tariffs, I will let you guys know as soon as I find out. But for now, that's what I know.
Yes.
So thank you guys for joining us. I hope you loved this box as much as we did. If you did, hit like, hit subscribe, and don't forget to tell your friends and family about our channel. And we hope you have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.